Welcome to this 3D AutoCAD tutorial in which we will learn how to give dimension to this part. So let's begin. So at first turn this grid off and now go to annotate here. Select this annotate option and select this linear dimension option. So specify 2 points, one, the second point, and place this dimension here in this environment window, and then select the linear dimension again. Specify the 2 points. I'm specifying these two vertical points, and you can see you can specify the dimension like this. And now select the linear dimension option again, select these 2 points, and here you can see the problem. So we do not give dimension like this. So now press the escape button and select this home option, select this face option here, and select the third one, this one. Okay, and now select this upper face and then click enter twice. Go to annotate again, select this linear dimension option again. Now specify the same 2 points for measurements, and here you can see we can give the dimension like this. So select this linear dimension option again, specify these 2 points, and you can give this dimension. And now let's give some other dimension. Select this linear dimension option again, select these 2 points, and here you can see we have a problem. So press the escape button, go to home option again, select this third option here, then select this face, enter twice, go to annotate again, select this linear dimension again, and give the dimension. And here you can see we can change the orientation of the dimension like this. So give one more dimension between these 2 points, and here you can see the font of these dimensions are very low. Also the arrow size is very low. In order to change the font size, type D and then press enter and select here modify option, and here in this window change the arrow size to somewhat larger dimension. I'm specifying here 7. Come here to text window and set the text height to some larger number. I'm specifying here 8, and then close this window. Here you can see the fonts and the arrow size has been changed.